Thutha wa wakiri Kyalo Mbobu gukorwo akiuragwo na njira ya kiriga, riu mihango ya ũthuthuria wa mwĩrĩ ni itafanitio. Ũthuthuria ucio uhanikite nyumba-ini ya kuiga mĩĩrĩ ya kaunti-ini ya Nairobi, ugitafanio ni mutaaramu wa ũthuthuria wa mĩĩrĩ uria wa thirikari niwe Johansen Odur, hamwe na ruhonge rwa ũthuthuria rwa DCI na murugamiriri wa family ya mutigaire Kyalo Mbobu.
He bled, there's a lot of bleeding because there was a injury to the neck vessels. There was also injury to the spine. So these injuries were severe enough to cause death. Yeah.
So he died as a result of injuries or bleeding?
Both. There was severe injuries, which you saw spinal injury and neck injuries, and there's also a lot of bleeding.
Ũthuthuria ucio wonanitie ati Kyalo arathirwo rithathi 8, rithathi ciaumire mwena wa urio na kumuguraria uru munyiginyigi, rithathi 2 nicio cionekanite mwĩrĩ-ini. Muragani atafanirie ngero ino ari hakuhe na Kyalo aurire thakame na njira nene.
Most of them, as I said, were coming from the left side and they were going through the neck and the upper arm. Yes, I didn't see any injury inside the chest cavity, which was intact.
Riu family ya Kyalo igite mwihoko hari honge cia ũthuthuria gwika ũthuthuria wa naihenya niguo gukurana no watafanirie njuragano ino. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Francis Garuya.